again, to be honest, anything could have worked in that door, because again, movie magic. Right, here we go, everybody.
So hello again everyone and welcome to the workshop. My name is Richard Taylor. I'm the Design and Effects Supervisor here at the workshop. This charming bloke is Jeff. He's what we call an animatronic.
Yeah, animatronic.
As you can see, our crew are hard at work making physical effects, props, costumes, creatures, miniatures, vehicles, prosthetics, animatronics, sculptures, and much, much more.
I think they make a good casserole. Come on, boss. They look like a bunch of security leaks.
Yeah. Well, San Diego Comic-Con. Also that man, very cool. No, I can keep it very scary. Things in here for you to look at. It catches every detail. I mean, also for the comfortability of cake, because, you know, imagine being in that for an hour. Alright, so yeah, we'll just stay on this side just for now. Cheers. Cost reduction with 300 pieces of Thanks. We have the bronze medal for most fake blood used in the film, the 1992 film frame. There's glucose syrup, red, yellow, and blue. Yes, what's being shown changes the vein details, fiberglass, and also sealant, both easy done. And then River in particular has about 7 layers of resin. The reason why we bothered to do a 5 months picture construction process for a project such as this one is because it simply looks much more realistic on camera when they're doing snapping shots and panning shots in production. Know what that means in terms of scale. If we added little CGI dinosaurs, which we wouldn't for this particular technique, but if we did, hypothetically, they'd be about the size of a pinky finger. The scale. There we go, daytime. Everything in the exhibit is handcrafted, apart from the castle, the domes, the broken bridge, the statues, the staircases, the bridge around the other side, the dome around the other side, and the trunks of the trees. The ones that I just mentioned, they are 3D printed. Generally using FDM 3D printing, most common type of 3D printing we do at the workshop.